Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a wireless controller to your Xbox One. This is very easy to do. Now there's two different ways that you can do this. So the first way, I'm going to go to Settings and then go to System and then go on down to Devices and Connections and go to Controllers and Headset. Then you can see my currently connected controller. If I go to the right, I can go to where it says Connect a Device right here. And then I can choose Xbox Wireless Controller. Now it says press and hold the controller's pair button. So the pair button will be on the top of the Xbox One right here. We just want to hold this down for 4 seconds. So it says keep the button pressed for 4 seconds or until the console pairs with the controller. So I can hold this button down for 4 seconds and the light is going to start blinking on my controller itself. Now under this screen, the light on the Xbox One should start blinking. Now if it's not blinking and you want to sync your controller, you have to press this button, which is kind of hard to see just under the Xbox One light. Just press this down and it should start blinking as well. So then you want to hold this button down on the controller and they should start blinking together. Now if it doesn't pair wirelessly, what you could do is plug in a USB cable just right here on your Xbox One and then plug the other end into your controller and then press the Xbox button and it should connect. And it is now connected. Then if you have a wireless controller, you can simply unconnect this and it should connect wireless. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.